Welcome to Dashcam Nigeria. On today's episode on good roads, we received a video from one of our subscribers who watched our previous video on wide Abuja Road and decided to share some other good wide Abuja roads with us. This will be a very long ride, so fasten your seatbelts as we go on this ride. If you have been watching our videos and you enjoy what we do, please comment, share, subscribe and follow to see more of our videos. This video is showing a very wide road as captured by the dashcam of this subscriber. You can see how wide this road is with two lanes, a service lane and an express lane. You can see how wide the service lane is and also how wide the express lane is. This road is not just pleasurable to drive, as you can see, it's also pleasurable to watch as well. The speed being applied on this road seems to me like this is a car race. Wow. Is there some other roads in Nigeria that is as wide and spacious as we have in Abuja? Please let me know in the comment section the name of this road and the state, so we can also present some videos of those roads to you. Some people who are in Abuja will also know this road. It's also one of the popular roads in Abuja. So let me know in the comment section if you know this road in Abuja. I want you to watch this video to the end and comment in the comment section to let me know what you like most about this ride. Thanks for watching and bye for now.